Okay, let's look at this question here. WASSCE November 2018, question 7b. So, this is the triangle PRQ. In the diagram, RQ is the base of the isosceles triangle PQR. If the perimeter of the triangle is 20 centimeters, find the values of S and Y. Okay, so the question is, this is what? An isosceles triangle. It means the two sides of the triangle are the same. And it said that the base is what? It's talk about the base. It said RQ is the base of the isosceles triangle. Okay, so as he's saying RQ is the base of the isosceles triangle, he's trying to tell us that these two sides are the same. Alright, are the same. And if the perimeter is what? 20. So when you add 1, 2, 3, it will give you 20 centimeters. Find the values of what? X and Y. Okay, so if it is isosceles, then, and this is the base, then these are the two equal sides. So this side is equal to this side. So that is one thing that we have to know. Therefore, we can say 2x minus y plus 5 is the same as s plus y plus 1. Okay, then what we have to do is to bring we bring the variables at one side and then maintain the constant at the right hand side so that we can get our first equation, and then we continue to get our second equation, and then we solve simultaneously since we are finding the variables s and y. So I can get what? 2x. Okay, I'll bring the s here to be minus x, then I have minus y, then the y will come here to be minus y, then I have plus this. I'll send the 5 to the constant here so that I have 1 here and then minus 5. Alright, so 2x, then the x will come to minus s, then we have minus y, the y will come to minus y, then 5 will come here, there is already 1 here, so 1 minus 5. So 2x minus s will give me x, minus y will be minus 2y equal to negative 4, equation 1. Okay, so I can get this one as my first equation. And what were we given? We were giving the perimeter as 20. So it means that 1, 2, 3, when you add, it will give you 20. Alright, so you can say x plus y plus 1 plus 2x minus y plus 5 plus x plus y plus 3 will give us 20 centimeters. Okay, so let's group like terms, and then we have x here plus 2x, that will give us 3x, plus x, that will give us 4x. Okay, then we have y minus y, that will be 0, then plus y, that will be 1y, so y. Okay, then we have constant numbers, so 1 plus 5. Alright, that will give us 6 plus 3, that will give us 9 equal to 20. Alright, so x plus 2x, y minus y plus y, and then 1 plus 5 plus 3 will give us 9. So we can have this equation as 4x plus y equal to 20 minus 9, and 4x plus y can be equal to what? 20 minus 9 will give us what? 11. And we are going to get our equation 2. Okay, equation 2. So we have these two equations, equation 1 and then what? Equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. And we are going to solve the two simultaneously. So what can we do here? We can either use the substitution or the elimination method. Okay, so let's make y the subject from equation 2 and then we substitute into equation 1. So from equation 2, we can say that y is equal to 11 minus 4x. Let me call this as my equation 3. Okay, so from this equation 2 here, y is equal to 11 minus 4s. And let me name this as my equation what? My equation 3. Then I'll substitute y into equation. So I'll say put or substitute y into equation 1. Since the subject was made in equation 2, I'm going to substitute into equation 1. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 is x minus 2y. So 2, what is the y? 11 minus 4x. And that will be equal to what? Negative 4. Okay, so equation 1 will be x minus 2 times the y. The y is 11 minus 4x. Okay, so we have x minus 2 times 11 will give me minus 22. The minus 2 times minus 4x will give me a plus 8x equal to negative 4. So I'll have x plus 8x will give me 9x equal to minus 4 plus 22. Okay, and what will be minus 4 plus 22? And then minus 4 plus 20 will give me 18. Alright, positive 18. So therefore, my x is 18 over 9, which will give me 2. So my x is what? My x is 2. My x is 2. Alright, so I can now find y from equation what? Equation 2 here. So I can say that put x into equation, I can find y from equation 3. So I'll say put s into equation 3. That will make it simple for me. So y will be equal to 11 minus 4, what is x2? And 11 minus 8. And what is 11 minus 8? That will give us 3. So we can say that therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So these are the values of what? X and y. X is 2 and y is what? Y is 3. So simple. I'll see you again in our next class. Bye bye.